Mama. So we're at Swinging Bridge.
You guys are out there on a boat.
And the boys are out there on the boat.
Somebody's on the tube, don't even know.
I can't see, but I zoomed in, so. They're going too far away.
Oh, dump.
Nice. Still on, right?
No.
No? Oh. I can't really see.
I saw the shit go.
You saw it do what?
So good. Oh, floating with the freaking pollywogs and the minnows.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh.
Seriously, dude? Piranhas? Oh, it's fucking pollen on the shore. Ugh.
It's disgusting.
Ugh.
Yeah, and we're swimming in it.
It's cool. Alright. Well, I'll take more video when they come back, I guess. Bye.
Bye. Alright, ready?
It's already been recording. Yeah.
Ready?
Belly flop! Whoa!
This is mine.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do it.
Oh, yeah. That's attractive.
Yeah,
Can you zoom in?
Yeah.
The plus?
Yeah. You got it?
Yep. Got it.
Ready?
Belly flop!
That really hurt my arm.
Well, just don't be messing up your knee. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Boogers and all?
Yeah, I'm good.